We're just wrapping up an oil change on this Yamaha 150 horsepower 4-stroke outboard. One small but critical component to this is the drain plug gasket. And I'll show you how to quickly replace one of those. So we've already taken the liberty of draining the oil out of the engine. Use the deep well 9/16 socket to access the drain plug. And here in my hand is the drain plug and the gasket. Critical piece from stopping oil from leaking out of the engine. Like I say, this is a very simple process. We have a bag of replacement gaskets right here. Same size that fits our drain plug. So we'll just pop that packaging open and take a fresh new one out. It's as simple as taking the old one off, threading the new one back on. And with the new gasket on, we can go ahead and reinsert the drain plug. Now that we have our drain plug and our new gasket firmly seated, that completes the replacement of the gasket. If you have any further questions, be sure to reference your maintenance manual.